Alright, hey guys. Stop it. Don't do that. You're making noise. Hey guys, and today we're gonna do... Stop it! And today we're gonna do motorcycle riding, and you're gonna see what it looks like. This is probably gonna fall off 3 times. I don't know where to put this, but I bet this is the best place.
You should ask your dad if you can make a stand to like clip onto here. It'll
hold up. Or I can just attach the GoPro to it, but I don't want to. Alright, so you're going to see what it looks like. Yep, and it
already fell.
No, it didn't fall. It's just shaking. Here, I'll put my legs over it to support it.
Sorry about that.
Is there stuff on the camera? No, there's not. What you can't. Okay. Just gonna have to do it the old-fashioned way. So right now you can't see anything, but you'll eventually see something, like the sky. The sky is falling down.
Yes, these are electric motorcycles. Wait, is that the other bubbly thing?
Oh yeah, there it is.
It wasn't on earlier.
I know.
Oh, it's falling, it's falling.
No, it's not.
It was.
It's not, though. Whatever. I know when the iPad's gonna fall and not gonna fall. Whoa. There. See? I told you guys. I know when that's gonna fall and not gonna fall. So, be prepared, me. Wait, hold on. If I turn it like this, as far as possible, and turn it like this, as far as possible, go straight. Alright, we're good. Except wires are in the way.
And I can look at the wires.
I don't know if I just ended it. Nope, I didn't. Okay. So, keep going.
Let's go to the house that's over.
Huh?
They ride on the bus.
Who? Jaden and Logan?
No.
Harley and Keelan?
Yeah.
I got you guys protected. It's never gonna fall. It's all secured. See that it only moves a little bit.
Something's like broken. Listen to it. Like there's thumping.
I don't hear anything. Do it again. I don't hear anything. I don't hear anything at all.
Over home?
I don't know. Do you hear that on mine?
No. Hear it?
Alright. But that doesn't matter. Nothing is broken. It only matters if you can ride it or not. And you can ride it. Got wires in the way. Again.
They have a pool.
Yeah. I burped when I said that. Yeah.
Why do they have a pool when they have a pond right there?
Because they don't like the yuckiness of the pond. I've never seen Logan, Jaden, Carly, and Keelan ever swim in that pond. They all go over to Carly and Keelan's house and swim in their pool.
Have you ever swam in their pool?
Because it's never hot enough for us to do it.
It's never hot enough.
Stop doing that, you're going to ruin it.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
I'm not.
Well, if my dad and my brother-in-law were both watching you do that, my brother-in-law would probably yell at you. Turn this way. They live at that house right there, to your left. So we're good. Go on the grass. Oh, crap.
So you dropped it?
Yeah, once. But that was only because it was all thumpy in the grass. That's the only reason why.
Which one goes better in the grass? This one or that one?
Huh?
Which one goes better in the grass?
I have no idea. Because I don't go in the grass that often. At least. What? Want to try to go up the hill? Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh. That probably broke it.
Is it a drop-proof case?
No, it's not freaking drop-proof.
Nope. No cracks.
Nope. Would your dad kill you if you broke it?
Oh. There's a thing in the way, though.
What?
There was a thing in the way.
Thing?
A thing. Now it's gone. You okay? Okay. It's okay. That's a good thing.
Probably be the end of our video.
It's just the hills and stuff we shouldn't go up. Or any place that's bumpy. No, it doesn't matter.
Slower than what you just did.
No, it doesn't matter about the speed. It doesn't matter about the speed.
Right where it just was.
It's right there, and it was right there.
Put the goat.
It doesn't. Oh my gosh, you're not letting me finish my freaking sentence. It doesn't. Shush. It doesn't matter about the speed. It matters about the place. If it's near something bumpy, then it'll probably fall off.
Yeah, this it'll fall off if you're going fast enough.
No.
Yeah.
No. And going up hills. See? It's not falling off when I do this. So sorry about the thing being in the way. Alright, let us take it back home and finish the video. I'm gonna do that to my feet.
What?
I'm gonna do that to my feet.
You're gonna get blood.
No, I've done it before. I've done it before. I'm not putting my feet on the entire thing. Very lightly I am. Woo! Bloody feet. Alright, that's enough. So I'll take it back home and we'll finish this video off. You can only hear what I'm saying. Gavin is mumbling blah 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 and you can't hear him because he's super far away. JK. He's not even talking. Alright, I'm going to take it slow up this hill. Slow and steady. Lumpy hill. Alrighty.
Guess what my dad calls the garage?
Huh.
Garage.
And you